Good morning, class 1. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. In reading, learning, revising all the things at your homes? Very good, students. So, as we know that this is our EVS class. Which class is it? EVS class. So, all of you open this book with the name I am reading. OUR, our, GREEN, 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 WORLD, 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 R, green world. So all of you open this book which I am showing in the picture. Yes, beta, open. Yes, shall I move forward towards the book? Okay, beta. So come to page number 5. The page number which I am showing here, page number 5. What's the chapter's name? Chapter number 2. Chapter's name, my, my, body, body, parts, parts, my body parts. अभी पिछली क्लास में हमारी प्रीवियस जो क्लास हुई थी ईवीएस की, उसमें मैंने क्या कराया था आपको? हमने ये चैप्टर का फर्स्ट पेज खाली रीड किया था. क्या करा था बेटा? ओनली रीड. अभी तो सिर्फ हम रीड करेंगे. इसका अंडरस्टैंडिंग पार्ट, समझने का पार्ट बाद में करेंगे. लेट अस फर्स्ट we will revise this first page and then we will come to our next page. Okay beta? So what is this? OUR, our, BODY, body, has, MANY, many, PARTS, parts. Our body has many parts. SOME, some, OF, off, MY, my, BODY, body, PARTS, parts, ARER, SHOWN, shown, BELOW, below. Some of my body parts are shown below. अब ये क्या है? This is the image of a child. Means एक बच्चे की फोटो है. अब फोटो है जो बच्चे की, तो उसमें क्या बताया हुआ है? बच्चे के बॉडी पार्ट्स. यानी हमारे पास कितने बॉडी पार्ट्स होते हैं, तो मैं जो पार्ट बोलूँगी आप अपने अपने बॉडी को टच करके वो पार्ट मुझे बताना. ओके बेटा? So first we will read HEAD, head. Touch your head. Yes, touch your head. Very good. Now EYE, eye. Touch your eyes. Very good. EAR, ears. Touch your ears. NECK, neck. Touch your neck. Neck means gardan. Touch your neck. Now come to this. What is this? FINGER. What is it? Fingers. Touch your fingers. Where are your fingers? Like this. This is on my fingers. Then TOES, toes. Touch your toes. What is toes? हमारे जो फुट होता है, फुट की जो फिंगर्स होती हैं उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? हमारा टोज. टच योर टोज. यस. HAIR, hair. Touch your hair. Everybody touch your hairs. Yes. Some has black hair, some has brown hairs. You know ना? किसी के बाल काले होते हैं तो किसी के brown. Then NOSE, nose. Touch your nose. Where is your nose? Yes. Next, MOUTH. What is it? Mouth. Mouth means हमारा मुंह. कहाँ है सबका मुंह? Touch your mouth. Yes. Now what is this? HAND, hand. Touch your hand. Where is your hand? Like my hand. These are my hands. Then leg, leg. Where is your leg? Touch your legs. Yes. Now last is FOOT, foot. Where is your foot? Everybody touch your foot. Yes, foot means हमारे पैर. Now OUR, our. BODY, body. Me, MAY, me. BEB, THIN, thin. Our body may be thin, comma, FAT, fat, comma, SHORT, short, OR, or TALL, tall. Our body may be thin, fat, short, or tall. What is written here? THIN, thin. Thin का मतलब पतला. FAT, fat. Fat means मोटा. SHORT, short. Short means छोटा. TALL, tall. Tall means लंबा. Now we have already read this chapter in our previous classes. Today we will just have a revision of this chapter again. Now come to next page. Open next page, that is page number 6, which I am showing here. Yes. Now you all have to open the page. Yes. Now what is this? What they are writing here? OUR, our. BODY, body. CHANGES, changes. OUR, our. BODY, body. CHANGES, changes. ASS, WEV, GROW, grow. Our body changes as we grow. What they are? Now read it with me. Our body changes as we grow. Beta, try to read it with me only. Now what they are showing? Male, MALE. Beta, read one more time. Male, MALE, male. First is BABY. What is it? Baby. BABY means baby. Then we will come to BOY, boy. Where we will come? BOY, boy. After that, ADULT. What is it? ADULT. What is it? Speak. Try to speak, beta. Adult. What is it? Adult. Now what is this? OLD, old. OLD, old. We will read one more time. MALE, male. What is this? BABY, baby. Next is BOY, boy. Then we will come to third one. What is this, beta? ADULT, adult. ADULT, adult. Now what is the last option? OLD, old. What is written here? OLD, old. Beta, try to read it with me only. If you face any difficulty in pronouncing any word, you can ask me, beta. Shall we move to next part? Yes. What is this? FEMALE. What is this, beta? FEMALE. Read one more time. FEMALE. Female. What is this? Female. First we have written male, then they have written female. Now we will come to this. BABY, baby. BABY, baby. Then After baby, Girl, 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 girl. After that, Adult, adult. What is this? Adult, adult. And the last is Old, old. We will again read it. Female, female. First of is Baby, baby. Girl, girl. Adult, adult. Old, old. What is baby, girl, adult, old? Now we will read this also. What is this? RECAP. Recap. OUR, our. BODY, body. HAS, has. MANY, many. PARTS, parts. Our body has many parts. Second is EACH, each. PART, part. OF, of. OUR, our. BODY, body. HAS, has. NAME, name. Each part of our body has a name. Third one is OUR, our. BODY, body. MAY, may. DEB. THIN, thin. FAT, fat. SHORT, short. OR, TALL, tall. Our body may be thin, fat, short or tall. Now last one is OUR, our. BODY, body. CHANGES, changes. AS, WEVGROW, grow. Our body changes as we grow. So beta, we have read chapter number 2. In our next class we will done the understanding part of this chapter. So for today this will be done. And what you have to do, you have to read the chapter and make a short video of that chapter reading of your reading part and send it to me. Okay beta, so this much for today. Okay, bye bye class.